So, you've seen the flashy cars, the exotic vacations, and the endless streams of "look at my trading profits" on social media. Maybe you're wondering, is trading actually a good career, or is it just hype? Well, let's break it down. I'm giving you the real talk, both the perks and the pitfalls, so you can decide if trading is the right path for you. Let's start with the good stuff. First up, flexibility. Trading gives you the freedom to work from anywhere, at any time. Work from anywhere, at any time. No boss breathing down your neck. No 9-to-5 grind. If you're a night owl or an early bird, you can fit trading into your schedule. Next, the earning potential. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Trading isn't a guaranteed path to riches, but the ceiling is high. Some traders do make serious money. If you're skilled, disciplined, and a little bit lucky, your income isn't capped by a salary. Another big plus? Personal growth. Trading forces you to understand yourself, your emotions, your impulses, your risk tolerance. It's like holding up a mirror every day. You'll learn patience, discipline, and how to handle stress. If you love a challenge, trading will keep you on your toes. But let's be real. Trading isn't all green charts and easy wins. Here's the reality check. First, it's risky. You can lose money, and not just a little. If you're not careful, you can lose a lot. It's not for the faint of heart. And there's no safety net like a steady paycheck. Second, it's lonely. Most traders work alone, staring at screens for hours. There's no office banter, no team lunches, and then there's the stress. The markets are unpredictable. One bad trade can wipe out weeks of progress. You need thick skin and a short memory to keep going. Plus, the learning curve is steep. You'll need to invest serious time and maybe some money to master strategies and understand the markets. There are no shortcuts. So, is trading worth it? If you're disciplined, self-motivated, and ready to learn from your mistakes, trading can be a rewarding, flexible career. But if you're chasing quick money, or you can't handle risk and uncertainty, it might not be for you. My advice? Start small. Learn as much as you can about trading and about yourself. And remember, the only person you're competing against is you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real talk about money and careers. See you in the next one.